Hey friends, if you wish to change theme, lock screen and wallpaper on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to personalization on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, we have options for theme, lock screen and wallpaper. So before anything else, I'll show you for wallpaper. Select background. Now you can select any of these Windows wallpapers. And if you wish to add some wallpaper of your choice, then click on browse photos, and then you can select any wallpaper of your choice like this cute dog wallpaper. Okay, it has downloaded and uploaded and now it is in the list. So you can select this one. As you can see, we have this cute dog wallpaper here. Now, as for the themes, go to themes in the personalization, and we have different themes here. Now, this is a dark theme with red tint and everything. All text will be in red tint, and then we have this one, the dark theme with a blue tint. And this everything will become blue. The next one is about lock screen. So this is the lock screen settings. Now by default it is set at Windows Spotlight, but if you wish to keep it at a certain picture, you can choose that as well. But I usually prefer Spotlight because Spotlight keeps changing the scene each and every day and we get to see more and more things. And then you can choose to have the weather and more section in the lock screen, in which it reads out the temperature and all. The calendar, which I don't recommend because it's a lock screen. You shouldn't be having the calendar there unless you really wanted the mail, in which you'll get mail notifications, or none, in which you will not get any such notification. But by default, weather and more is good for me, but you can choose accordingly. And now it says show the lock screen picture in on the sign in screen. So this is checked by default and it should remain checked by default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.